Okay, guys, here we go. Goo Goo number 3. As usual, I get the black words, you get the red words, okay? All right, here we go. Music. Nice. Let's play a word game, you and me. When I say goo goo, you say baby. Rain. China. School. Summer. Spring, vegetable, winter, watermelon, play, movie. All right, all right. Now let's go back up top. This time you guys are black and Tino is going to be red. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, let's go. Let's play a word game, you and me. When I say goo goo, you say baby, go. Umbrella, panda, study, fireworks, cherry blossoms, carrot, tangerine, big and round, park, popcorn. Great job, guys. Great job.